In this video, I'll show you how to read the cost and variance report and how to use it to find where money is leaking. This report explains why your cost ended up where it did. It breaks down the gap between what you planned and what actually happened. Always start with the summary. Here you will see actual cost, planned cost, and variance. This tells you if you have a variance problem and how big it is before you go into details. Below are the numbers broken down by category. Here you also see how planned cost, actual cost, and variance are built up, together with key supporting metrics such as recorded wastage, transfers, and any discounts given. An important column here is on-hand variance, which shows the variance value for each category. This is a high-level view of which categories are performing well and which aren't, before you drill down into individual items. Now let's look at what's actually causing the variance. We'll jump to the detailed view where you can filter by category and search for specific items. Let's use food as an example. On the far left, you see the items, and on the far right is the variance. Everything in between explains how that variance is calculated, and the list is sorted so items with the highest negative variance appear at the top. From the left, previous count, on hand is how many units were counted in the previous stock count. Purchases are the units bought during the period. Wastage is how much were recorded as waste. Transfers show how many units were transferred in or out. Sales is how many units were sold. And cut away is the recorded cut away. Based on all of this, theoretical on hand is how much you should have in stock, while current count on hand is what you actually had in stock. On hand variance is the difference between what you should have and what you actually had. Then variance value then is what that variance is worth in money. This is where you move from overview to root cause to see exactly which items cause your actual COGS to be higher than planned. Also in this report, some items are grouped into bundles. Bundles are used when multiple similar items are treated as interchangeable in daily operations, for example, different brands, sizes, or substitute products. So instead of looking at these items individually, they are grouped together to show their combined variance. This helps you see the real operational impact, even if one item is part of a recipe and another is purchased separately. So that's the cost and variance report. Focus on the top variances, fix those issues, and you'll be in a very good spot.